Hi guys, making a quick video to show you why I got into the pound yen trade. So the pound yen at the moment is making higher highs, higher lows as you can see here. Um, and then we had a drive back down, and then I put this trend line down there um, to it's like a counter trend line, and we can see it's slowly starting up to form a triangle, and that the theory of the triangle I will leave it to another video, but just want to show you why I got into the pound yen trade. So I put a trend line here, and then price came, hit this supply and demand zone and pushed back up and rejected the trend line. So for me that was one confluence that we are now in a downtrend, um, for now at the moment. So price hit the trend line, came back down, and when it was reversing, what I did was I put a fib and I found this zone on the 4 hour. So if you go on the 4 hour, you can see here this is a major level of resistance and support. So if I put my just line down there, you can see price has reacted to this level and bounced off it several times, giving us quite a few good trades over here. You can see 110 pips, and then this one here, if you had taken it here, that would have given you around 320 pips if you took a profit down there. And now it's done that again. So I didn't take the trade here, so I waited. I wanted more confirmation. I want as many confluences as possible for my trade. So there's a downtrend trend over here. Price came back to this level, so I took it down here. I took the first trade here, kept my stop 44 pips, and my target is 170 pips, first target, and then the second target is 253 pips. So I want my price to come here first, where I will take my profit. So you can see here price is rejected nicely, and at the moment I think the trade is around, yeah, 94 pips in profit, and I've got another, let's say, 70 pips. um, and around on an average past few weeks the pound yen has been doing around nearly 200 pips, so there's still more room for this to go downwards, so that's why I'm holding it. And if you go on the one now, it looks, you can see here, very clean setup. um, 44 pip stop and a nice risk reward trade. I expect this to go downwards here. You could be taking your profit here as well at 163,661, but I will try to wait for it to go all the way down here. And you can see this, I've taken it on my live account um, here. So the trade, like I said, is around 93 pips in profit. You can see here I entered here yesterday, and then when price came back again up here this morning, I took it again. So taken two trades on there, and first one I'll try to take the profit off here and then leave the rest of it to go further down, and I'll update you further on later on to see where the trade goes. Hey guys, an update on my trade that I taken a couple of days ago, and I'd re-entered yesterday like I showed you. So the trade was going well, and it did almost 130 pips here, and I was holding it because my take profit target was around down here, 167 pips to hit the extension down here, because I just, like I said, I saw this was like a downtrend, um, and I had my reasons why I wanted to short it, which I had taken down here, and I was expecting price to come down here. So um, what I had done was when price was around here, I moved my stop, which was around 44 pips, I believe. I moved it to entry, making it a risk-free trade. And what happened in the New York session was price started to reverse, and I was still holding it because I wanted it to come back down here. I'm more of a swing trader, not a intraday trader. So my principles, the rules I had was to hold my take profit target to down here. That's where I was going to take uh, close one of my trades and leave the other one to run to hit the 27 extension. But it turns out that the market just reversed and it took me out at break even, so I didn't make a loss. Um, and then it just went higher this morning now and it is hovering around here. So at the moment, I would not try to get into it because we have the FOMC today later in the evening. So I expect the market to be volatile and yeah, I'll probably get into trades after that and see what happens at the daily candle close today and probably get into some trades maybe later in the night on the daily candle close or probably tomorrow.